Allergic to the bullshit still.
Leave me alone.
Nah, I'm not leaving you alone. I'm just like, shit. Guess what? It's about to come out. Whoo, whoo, whoo. Listen to bullshit. Sorry. Still ain't giving you no money. Maxton, you over there with him. I'm allergic to you, Max. Say something else. Bob, say something else, stupid. You allergic to the bullshit, too? I'm allergic to your bullshit, Max. Oh, my God. I'm allergic to you. Maxton! Come here, Maxie. Real allergic to Bob's bullshit. I sneeze again. Woo. Yep. Look, me trying to go to sleep. We need to, because Max, we allergic to his bullshit. Maxon, come here. Maxie! He got 6 names. About to... Whew. Damn, Bob, close your mouth. Your breath, you already snoring. Max, get him. Bite him. Whew. Maxie, come here. We done stole some money. Bob over there, I'm allergic to him. Bob, I'm allergic to you. Robert! Nope.